Pasefika, falava. In this video, we're going to draw the ʻAlia. The ʻAlia is one type of double-hull canoe or ocean vessel of Samoa used in ocean voyages. We use a peach color pencil to start the outline of this drawing. With the outline started, we will work on the shape and angle of the sail. As a side note, the ʻAlia is similar to the Kalia of Tonga and Drua of Fiji. It is also worth noting that the largest of the double-hull ships were known as tele in Sāmoa. Va'a means ship or boat and tele means big or great. We will continue outlining the ship with the peach color. We will then use Copenhagen blue to start outlining the ocean. We will continue to outline the waves and the surface of the ocean. Next, we will use a dark umber color pencil. This will help to define the outline of the ʻAlia. As we build our outline, you'll notice that it doesn't have to be exactly the same darkness or thickness. While working on the variety as seen in the outline, we'll also start the shading in the drawing. This will help to give the drawing value and help define its shape. Next, we'll use a cream color to fill in the sail. Next, we will work with the color burnt ochre. We are using the burnt ochre color to help fill in the hull and sail of the ship. We will again use dark umber to darken the outline and further define the detail in the outline. Now we're back to using the burnt ochre to help fill in the color of the drawing. Now that the ʻAlia is colored, we will continue our work on the ocean. We will start with true blue on the ocean and also for the sky. We will now use peacock blue to continue filling in the ocean. We will continue our work on the ocean with the true blue color. We will use true blue color on the ocean and also for the sky. Along with true blue, we will also use peacock blue to fill in the ocean. We will now use indigo blue to outline the waves and surface of the ocean. Next, we will use the flat side of the pencil to continue to add detail to the ocean. After the indigo blue, we will use the Copenhagen blue. The Copenhagen blue will also help to fill in the areas of the ocean. These darker blue colors are used to emphasize the moana, which is the deep open ocean. We could continue to blend these blues and make the ocean a lot darker. That being said, with so much light area in the sky, it's nice to see some of the light area in the water as well. This will finish our quick drawing of the ʻAlia. Faʻafetai tele lava mo lau mai moa mai. Thank you very much for your view.